Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing topic that could transform your digestive health: the power of 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally. If you've been dealing with the discomfort of acid reflux and are looking for natural solutions, you're in the right place. But before we unpack these vitamin superheroes, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our wellness insights. Acid reflux can be a real pain, quite literally. Many of us have experienced the discomfort and irritation it brings. But fear not, because Mother Nature has provided us with some incredible tools to alleviate these symptoms. Today, we're going to explore the power of 5 essential vitamins that can help you stop acid reflux naturally. 1. Vitamin A, the protector. Vitamin A is like the superhero for your body, especially when it comes to keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. Imagine it as the shield that protects the walls inside your stomach from the irritation caused by stomach acid. This shield is made up of mucous membranes, and vitamin A is the key to making sure they stay strong and do their job well. Vitamin A, our superhero nutrient, is readily available in common and tasty foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. These foods not only please your taste buds but also come loaded with vitamin A, a crucial component for building and sustaining a protective shield within your stomach. Think of it this way: your stomach has a natural defense system, and vitamin A ensures it's robust and resilient. When you include more carrots in your salads, relish sweet potatoes with your dinner, or toss some leafy greens into your smoothies, you're essentially equipping your stomach with the necessary tools to combat acid reflux. It's like giving your stomach its own set of armor, a delicious and nutritious one at that. So, by making these foods a regular part of your diet, you're actively supporting your body in maintaining a strong defense against the discomfort of acid reflux. It's a simple and tasty way to take care of your digestive health, just what your stomach needs to stay happy and protected. 2. Vitamin B6, the regulator. Moving on to the next essential nutrient on our list, let's talk about the incredible vitamin B6, a powerhouse when it comes to regulating stomach acid production. This vitamin plays a vital role in ensuring that your digestive system functions smoothly by assisting in the production of hydrochloric acid, a key player in the digestion process. Hydrochloric acid is like the conductor in an orchestra, orchestrating the breakdown of food in your stomach so your body can absorb essential nutrients. Vitamin B6 steps in as the conductor's assistant, making sure the orchestra plays in perfect harmony. It helps your body produce hydrochloric acid in just the right amounts, preventing an excess that can lead to acid reflux discomfort. Now, where can you find this fantastic vitamin B6? Look no further than some delicious and readily available foods. Bananas, avocados, and poultry are excellent sources of vitamin B6, making them smart choices for those seeking natural ways to manage acid reflux. Bananas, with their natural sweetness, not only provide a quick energy boost, but also deliver a healthy dose of vitamin B6. Avocados, known for their creamy texture and rich flavor, are another fantastic source of this vitamin, contributing to both digestive health and overall well-being. 3. Vitamin C, the healer. Now let's delve into the healing powers of vitamin C, nature's remedy for not only boosting the immune system, but also mending damaged tissues, particularly the lining of your esophagus. This versatile vitamin acts as a key player in the repair process, offering relief and resilience to your digestive system. Vitamin C is like the repair crew dispatched to fix any wear and tear in your body. When it comes to acid reflux, this nutrient focuses on healing the delicate tissues that may have been irritated or damaged. Imagine it as a superhero swooping in to save the day, armed with the ability to mend and rejuvenate. So, where can you find this healing superhero? Look no further than the vibrant world of citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. These foods are not just bursting with flavor, they're also rich in vitamin C, providing your body with the essential tools it needs to heal and prevent acid reflux. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing, but also packed with vitamin C goodness. Strawberries, with their juicy sweetness, add a delightful touch to your diet while contributing to your daily vitamin C intake. Bell peppers, available in various colors, are not only crunchy and versatile, but also offer a substantial dose of this vital nutrient. Incorporating these vitamin C-rich foods into your daily meals is like offering your body a healing elixir. Whether you enjoy a citrusy fruit salad, a strawberry-infused smoothie, or bell peppers in your favorite dishes, you're actively supporting the repair and maintenance of your esophageal lining, creating a robust defense against acid reflux. It's a delicious and nutritious approach to nurturing your digestive well-being and ensuring your body has the tools it needs to heal naturally. 4. Vitamin D, the balancer. Now, let's shine a light on vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, making it our fourth essential player in the battle against acid reflux. This powerhouse not only aids in the absorption of calcium for strong bones, but also plays a pivotal role in maintaining a harmonious balance of gut bacteria. This delicate equilibrium is fundamental for proper digestion and can significantly contribute to alleviating acid reflux symptoms. Think of vitamin D as the conductor of a well-orchestrated symphony inside your body. It ensures that calcium, the building block of sturdy bones, is efficiently absorbed. Beyond this, it steps into the digestive arena, promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This balance is essential for the smooth operation of your digestive system, ultimately reducing the likelihood of acid reflux discomfort. Now, how can you elevate your vitamin D levels? Well, the sun is a natural source of vitamin D, so catching some sunlight is a fantastic way to boost your levels. Additionally, incorporating certain foods into your diet can provide an extra dose of this essential nutrient. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin D-fortified dairy products like milk and yogurt, offer another convenient option to enhance your intake. And let's not forget about egg yolks, a versatile and nutrient-packed addition to various dishes. By soaking in some sunlight and enjoying these vitamin D-rich foods, you're actively supporting your body's digestive balance and, consequently, working towards reducing the symptoms of acid reflux. It's a holistic and enjoyable approach to nurturing your overall well-being, ensuring that your digestive system operates in perfect harmony. So let the sunshine vitamin brighten both your day and your digestive health. 5. Vitamin E, the soother. Now let's explore the final player in our lineup, vitamin E, the soothing champion. Acting as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, vitamin E comes to the rescue by calming irritated tissues in the esophagus. If you've been battling the discomfort of acid reflux, these next tips are for you. Nuts, seeds, and spinach are fantastic sources of vitamin E that can offer much-needed relief from acid reflux discomfort. Picture vitamin E as the gentle balm, bringing comfort to the irritated areas and promoting a sense of ease. Incorporating these vitamin-rich foods into your diet is like providing your body with a soothing elixir, working from the inside out to calm the flames of acid reflux. And there you have it, health warriors. The insights into the power of 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with those who need it, and hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. Remember, true health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you have any questions, experiences to share, or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below.